into some mathematics. In this video, I'm looking at profit and loss. So on the application of percentages. Let's start. Just imagine you buy a pair of shoes in Accra for 100 cedis and then you sell it at Kumasi for 120 Ghana cedis. You made 20 cedis extra, and that 20 cedis extra is your profit. However, if you sell it for 80 cedis, you lost 20 Ghana cedis. That is a loss. Okay, now let's summarize it. Profit. What is profit? Now, when sales exceeds expenditure, just like the scenario that we described. And loss is when expenditure exceeds the sales. We have cost price, which is the price at which the item is purchased. Selling price, the price at which the item is sold. So if you want to find the profit, that will be the selling price minus the cost price. Let's look at how profit and loss are calculated. So I have some simple formulas. Profit percent is the profit over cost price times 100%. Selling price is 100 plus profit percent over 100 times cost price. Cost price is 100 over 100 plus a profit percent times the selling price. Loss is cost price minus selling price. That is where the cost price is greater than the selling price. So if it happens otherwise, then we have a profit. Loss percent also go through the same process. Loss over the cost price times 100%. So selling price will also be, if you know the cost price and want to find the selling price, that is 100 minus the loss percent over 100 times cost price. And if you know the selling price and want to find the cost price, that will also be 100 over 100 minus loss percent times selling price. A man bought a car for 8.5 million Ghana cedis and later sold it for 9.5 million. Find his percentage gain to one decimal place. So obviously the cost price is 8.5 million and then the selling price is 9 million. That means the profit will be 9 million minus 8.5. The selling price is rather 9.5 million. So 9.5 million. Okay. So we are getting 1 million as a profit. Now, if you want the profit percent, so that means the profit, that is 1 million over the cost price, 8.5 million times 100%. And when we evaluate, we're asked to correct to one decimal place. Let's find this one first, 11.6765. So in the one decimal place, we are getting 11.8%. That's very simple. Now let's solve other questions. A trader bought a machine for 125,000 Ghana cedis. He later sold it at a profit of 30%. What was his selling price? So we are looking for selling price. We know the cost price. The cost price is 125,000 cedis. And then the selling price, we don't know. And that is what we are going to find. We know the profit percent. Okay, I'm going to look at two methods. So the first one, knowing the profit percent. So the profit is going to be 30 over 100 times 125,000. And this, we are getting 37,500. So the selling price will obviously be the profit plus the cost price, which is 125,000 plus 37,500. And we are getting 102,500. Okay, let me use the formula. So the formula, if you are finding the selling price, that's 100 plus profit percent over 100 times cost price. So this is going to be 100 plus 130 over 100 times the cost price, which is 125,000. When we simplify, we are getting 162,500. I think the formula is easier to use. Anyway, the choice is yours. So whichever way you do it, you still get the same answer. Let's look at the next question. A trader sold 1,075 750 articles for 525,000 Ghana cedis and had a profit of 50%. So the first of all, we are supposed to find the cost for each article. Now, if you are going to find the cost of each article, then we need to find the cost price. The cost price. Okay, so now let me see if I can. Okay, so let me look at the first method. So finding the cost price, yes, the A part, we are using only the formula. So the cost price is 100 over 100 plus profit percent times the selling price. Okay, so we have 100 over, so 100 plus profit percent is 20, so we have 120 times the selling price, which is 525,000, and we are getting 437,500 Ghana cedis. So this is the cost price for 1,750 articles. So if you want the cost per article, cost for 1,750 is 437,500. So therefore, cost per each article will be 437,500 over the number of articles, 1,750, and we are getting 200 Ghana for each of the articles. Okay, now let's look at the B part. We now know, so there are two ways we can. The other question said, if he wanted 45% profit made on the cost price, how much should he have sold each of the articles? Okay, now cost per article is 250, so we can use this one to do it. So cost per each article is that. Now we want the selling price if the profit is 45%, so we can use the formula. It is 100 plus profit percent over 100 times the cost price. So the cost price for each article is that we have 145 over 100 times the cost price, which is 250. Yes, you can use the the main cost price for the whole item, and then when you finish, you divide it by 1,000. Okay, but since we want the cost for each article, it's better you use the cost per each article. So that's why we are using 250. Someone could have used and then divided it by 1,000. That will also be fine. Okay, so that will be 362 Ghana cedis. So this is the amount of money, or this should be the selling price if the trader want to make a profit of 45%. Yes, viewers, thank you very much for watching this video, and I believe like this video. If you like this video and you have not subscribed, kindly click on the subscribe button. You can also turn on your notification button so that anytime I upload a video, you'll be alerted wherever you are. Bye.